Actually, I just want to thank you for sharing your inspiring story, Ma'am Angelica. And there are groups of patients, maraming mga groups na AVN warriors, kumbaga, who are actually wanting to tell you about the joint replacement noon pa. And then, I'm really happy na you feel a lot better. Tapos, from the doctor's side, anong ma-advise mo sa amin mga doctors on how to approach patients na may AVN? Kasi I think na we can also improve, not just as doctors, but as persons and people, human beings, to how we can approach ba patients better. Anong masabi mo?
Ang hirap na doc kasi ano siya eh, parang you're dealing with patients na may chronic pain. Na parang bakit ako nagiging emotional? Parang at some point of my life, ayoko na. Like, parang siguro, sabi ko nga sa husband ko, kung wala siguro sila sa life ko ng daughter ko, ayoko na. Ang hirap ng pain and ang hirap ng parang biglang tinanggal sa'yo lahat. Na parang since I was 6 years old, I've been working and then nagkaroon ka ng sakit na nawalan ka ng capability to do anything. So yeah, siguro hindi ko kayang, I can't speak for everybody na may iba na kaya nila mag-speak out sa sarili nila na parang hindi doc, palitan mo yung balakang ko. Diba? Na parang kasi ako nun, I had to listen eh. Dahil hindi nga ako expert. So parang tiniglaan kong pagdaanan lahat. And hindi siya naging madaling journey for me